The Bloomberg terminals that we use are used in all of the major financial corporations in the city and around the world. So students get experience using those databases right here on campus. They can hit the ground running if they get hired or have an internship at one of those companies.
So the Bloomberg terminals are brand new monitors and PCs that we get to use on a daily basis. So we get 2 big monitors, we get the best hardware and software that the school can actually provide us with, and you can use it whenever you want. It comes with Tableau, it comes with Power BI, which is a Microsoft software as well, and anything you can think of pretty much. So it is amazing, it's really good.
Utilizing the Bloomberg terminals has allowed me to have those transferable skills that's important on my resume to employers. I've found that in many interviews that I've gone on, Excel and Bloomberg, having proficient knowledge of those topics is an added plus. And I felt as though that the Bloomberg terminals was something that I stood out in comparison to other competitors and candidates in job positions.
I just interned at KPMG, which is the number 4 in the world top firm. I worked in the audit department. I got to use what my teacher taught us in class, and it was Tableau skills and data manipulation skills. Those were specifically very important in that internship and in the audit case that we did. Without those skills, I think I would have been pretty much lost, I would say. That it really helped me out massively.